Hey guys! Today I want to show you how to do clipping mask in Adobe Illustrator. The first thing you need to do is choose your image and drop them on your artboard. Then you can choose the shape. Place the shape on the image. After that, you click on the opacity and change it into 25% so you can see the image behind the shape. Then group the image by clicking both image and shape. After that, click on Object Tools and find Clipping Mask option on that. Then click on Make option and voila! You have done the clipping mask. If you want to change the content of the image, click on Object and find Clipping Mask. Then click on Edit Content. You can adjust the image on your shape by then. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to support me by liking my video and subscribe this channel. See you on another video guys.